Hi, welcome to JWR Academy. Today we are discussing the example based on division fraction. So how to divide the fraction. In previous video we were discussed the adding fraction, subtracting fraction and multiplication fraction. If you are not watching this video, please first watch this video and then what division fraction. So how to divide the fraction, step by step solution. So here we write the solution. Okay, here we write the solution. And number one question is, what question? 7 upon 2 divided by 3 upon 2. So here 7 upon 2. So in division 7 upon 2 write fraction, and division sign change into multiplication, and this numerator toward denominator and denominator toward numerator. So here we write, and then same process through multiplication. 7 to the 7 multiply 2 divided by 2 multiply 3. So here 14 over 6 our final answer of this question. And second part we write here, our second part is 7 upon 2 divide 7 upon 2 divide 6 upon 2 divide 5 upon 2. So how to divide when 3 fraction, 3 rational number 5 upon 2. So how to divide? So here we change the division sign into multiplication, and numerator go to denominator and denominator goes to numerator, and this sign is also we can change 2 upon 5. And the last same process, 2 multiply 6 multiply 5, denominator multiply with denominator, 7 multiply 2 multiply 2. Okay, and 7 to the 14 multiply 2 divided by 2 multiply 6 is 12 multiply 5. So here 28 over 60. So this is our final answer of this question number 2. And now we simplify the third question when 4 fraction involved in one question. So question number 3 is, we write here 3 upon 2 divide 5 upon 3. 3 upon 2 divide 5 upon 3 divide 4 upon 5 divide 4 upon 5 and divide 6 upon 5. So how to solve this? 6 over 5. So how to solve? This is same process. First we change the sign, division sign into multiplication, and numerator goes toward denominator, denominator goes toward numerator. So 3 upon 2 multiply 3 over 5. Okay, and multiply 5 over 4, multiply 5 over 6. Okay, and same process, 3 multiply 5 multiply 5 divided by 2 multiply 5 multiply 4 multiply 6. So here we write 3 multiply 5 multiply 5 divided by 2 multiply 5 multiply 4 multiply 6. So this is the 0.938 our in decimal number final answer. And we check in fraction number. So 3 3 the 9 5 the 45, and multiply 5 divided by 2 5 the 10 4 the 40, and 40 multiply 6. So here 45 multiply 5, and we are getting the answer. We are getting the answer 225 divided by 40 to 40. 40 multiply 60. So this is our final answer of this question number 3. If you like this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for next interesting video on mixed fraction.